This is Ross's present from Alaska. I'm going to bring this to my tattoo artist. I don't know if I'm actually going to wear the shirt, but I'm gonna make sure I get this tattooed on my forearms. If you could smell it, you would know that it's fresh gear. It's not something he's been wearing for 2 weeks, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm going to try and pay him back on the old racquetball course right now.
Well, you know it's fresh. It's still got the tag on it.
Well, it could
and
be.
It's got the fresh from China smell.
Well, nowadays, you know, they wear the tag on the inside. They don't take them off nowadays. That's the fashion right now.
That's
so
retarded.
Well, I don't control the trends here, but
sure you do.
Well,
you're the trendsetter.
I follow them, but I don't set them.
No, man, you're a
Come
trendsetter.
on.
Look at you,
Is
you, stud.
anyone-
Look at you, stud.
Have you walked around Chico's? Anyone wearing this kind of?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. You're
But-
setting the trend.
All right. Well, maybe.
Next week you'll see 2 people doing it.
This kind of thing will pay off in the long term, not necessarily in the next 6 months, kind of thing. You know how Van Gogh, he was dead for 15 years before he sold his first painting.
Mm-hmm.
So it may be
a Nicholas story.
all geniuses.
It's a Nicholas story, is what you're saying.
Yeah, exactly. After they. Okay. All right, let's get it done. Check the viewfinder.
I am. We're good.
You got me in there?
No, I turned it off.
All right.
You're good.
Good.